Hi, friends. I'm going to read you a story today called Arctic Sea. All right? So over here, we're going to start on the first page. This is a bowhead whale. Mother bowhead lifts her calf to get its first breath of air. The narwhal. Daddy narwhal and his son show off their ivory tusks. Seal. Young seal learns to do its first cartwheel. Walrus. Mother walrus and her calf enjoy a ride on the ice floe. Beluga whale. Baby beluga sings its first song. Killer whale. Baby orca plays with its friends. All right, friends, that was a really short book, but I hope you liked it, and I hope you got to see the animals and the different colors. I'll read you another one soon. Bye.